Imagine having an assistant that never sleeps, never makes mistakes, and helps you accomplish tasks in half the time. Sounds like a dream, right? But in 2025, it's a reality. AI tools are transforming the way we work, automate tasks, and boost productivity like never before. Yet, most people make one crucial mistake: they use AI in isolation. They rely on just one or two tools, missing out on the real power of AI, the ability to combine multiple tools for maximum efficiency. What if you could create content effortlessly, organize your schedule seamlessly, and even automate repetitive tasks without lifting a finger? Today, we'll explore how you can integrate different AI tools into your workflow to get more done in less time. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, student, or business owner, this approach can help you work smarter, not harder. Let's dive into the ultimate guide to combining AI tools for peak productivity. Why one AI tool isn't enough. AI has come a long way, but no single tool does everything perfectly. ChatGPT can help generate text-based content, but it won't edit videos. Midjourney can create stunning visuals, but it won't analyze data. And Notion AI can summarize notes, but it won't schedule your emails. The key is synergy, using the strengths of multiple tools to cover different aspects of your workflow. Think of AI tools as a well-balanced team, each member specializing in a different role. When used together, they unlock a level of productivity that no single tool can achieve alone. So, how do you build the perfect AI productivity stack? Let's break it down step by step. 1. AI for idea generation and research. Every great project starts with an idea. Whether you're writing an article, creating a business plan, or developing a marketing strategy, AI can accelerate the research process. ChatGPT or Claude AI, these tools can brainstorm ideas, summarize lengthy research papers, and even generate outlines for your content. Instead of spending hours gathering information, you can ask AI to do the heavy lifting. Perplexity AI. If you need real-time, up-to-date information, Perplexity AI acts as an AI-powered search engine that summarizes web results in seconds, illicit perfect for academic research. This tool extracts key insights from research papers without reading hundreds of pages. How to combine these? Start with ChatGPT or Claude to generate a list of ideas. Then, use Perplexity AI to validate those ideas with recent data. If your topic requires in-depth research, Illicit can scan through academic papers to provide key insights. 2. AI for writing and content creation. Once you have your research, the next step is putting it all together into clear, engaging content. ChatGPT Claude AI write blog posts, scripts, social media captions, or product descriptions in minutes. Grammarly or Quillbit improve sentence structure, fix grammar mistakes, and enhance readability. 3. AI for visual and video content. Text alone isn't enough in today's digital world. You need visuals and videos to grab attention. Midjourney or DALL-E create stunning AI-generated images for presentations, blog posts, and social media. Canva AI generates social media graphics, presentations, and branding materials with AI-assisted design tools. Runway ML or Pika Labs AI-powered video editing tools that enhance footage, remove backgrounds, and even generate AI animations. Descript, transcribe, and edit videos as if you were editing a document, ideal for podcasters, YouTubers, and content creators. How to combine these? Use Midjourney to generate visuals, then import them into Canva AI for design customization. If you're creating a video, use Runway ML for AI-powered effects and Descript for seamless editing and audio enhancement. 4. AI for productivity and automation. Now, let's talk about streamlining your workflow with automation. Notion AI summarize notes, generate action items, and organize projects effortlessly. Zapier automate tasks between different apps. For example, automatically send AI-generated blog posts to WordPress. Reclaim AI smart calendar assistant that automatically schedules tasks and meetings. Otter.ai real-time transcription for meetings and interviews, so you never miss important details. How to combine these? Use Notion AI to organize your research and meeting notes. Integrate it with Otter.ai for real-time transcriptions. Automate repetitive tasks with Zapier, such as sending emails or posting content to social media. And let Reclaim AI schedule your calendar based on priority tasks. 5. AI for business and marketing. For entrepreneurs and business owners, AI can optimize sales, marketing, and customer engagement. ChatGPT or Jasper for chatbots automate customer service responses with AI-powered chatbots. MarketMuse or ClearScope optimize SEO content to rank higher on Google. AdCreative.ai generate high-converting ad creatives for Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. HubSpot AI-driven CRM to automate lead generation and email campaigns. How to combine these? Use ChatGapt for AI chatbots to handle customer queries. Optimize your website's SEO with MarketMuse or ClearScope. Automate email campaigns using HubSpot AI and design high-performing ads with AdCreative.ai. Final thoughts: the future of productivity with AI. We're entering an era where AI isn't just a tool, it's a coworker, an assistant, and even a creative partner. The real power comes from knowing which tools to use and how to combine them effectively. By integrating AI across different aspects of your workflow, you can save time, reduce stress, and unlock creativity like never before. But here's the big takeaway: AI is only as powerful as the person using it. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover unique ways to automate tasks, streamline processes, and boost productivity.